Hey guys, welcome back to the note study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss if direct message option is not showing in TikTok account in iPhone or iPad. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, if you're using iPhone, first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPhone, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, you have the option of VPN. If there is a connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then guys, you may open general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back and you may just open your app store, and in search bar you may write here TikTok, and guys, you make sure that you have latest or updated version of TikTok app. If you are not latest or updated version, please update your app from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may open TikTok app, and after this guys, you may log in or sign in with your account. So after this guys, you may click here on your profile, and you may click here on three lines, click here on settings and privacy, and guys, click here on privacy, and here is the option of direct messages. So you may click here and you may select everyone from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may just click here on inbox, and you may click here on any account, and you may check messages will be shown here, or you may also click here on profile of any account and click here on messages, and you may send message anyone from here. So if you are facing any problem related to your direct message, then you may click here on your profile again and click here on three lines and click here on setting and privacy, and then you may scroll it down, and here is the option of report a problem. So you may just click here, and guys, you may report about your problem to TikTok support team. So let's check guys. So this interface will be open. Here is the option of chat with us. So you may click here and you may contact to TikTok support team, and you may write about your problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.